To give you some background, Barclays, its current ownership, is in Mozambique for about 14 years. However, we acquired the bank at the time, and so we actually feel part of a family that that has been around for much more than just 14 years. In fact, it's almost 40 years, as BPD, the original entity, which was owned by the state, was incorporated soon after the independence in '77. So we have a very long, very long story or history in Mozambique, and that history gives us that bulk of experience, of local knowledge that we can then blend with our understanding of global markets, and which is literally global, as in Barclays being in more than 50 countries around the world, but to a great extent is African, as Barclays Africa itself is one of the largest financial institutions in the continent. So we proud ourselves of having that unique offering in terms of understanding the global markets, the African continent, and Mozambique, and bringing all of that together to our customers, to our clients, even to our colleagues in the kind of experience they can have by working with us. So it's certainly a reference when we talk about Barclays in Mozambique. The fact that we had that history also made us evolve over the time, and we more recently focused this business in a corporate and investment banking franchise or operation, given the needs of the country. So we have a very large retail presence. We have always been amongst the largest banks in Mozambique. We continue to do so, and we aim to maintain our retail presence. But historically, we might not have been as large in terms of corporate banking as we believe we could and should be, especially as our international footprint also allows us to support multinationals and cross-border banking in a way that only a few, if any, of our competitors can. So we're transforming the bank at the same time as we still very proud of living the values and that experience that we had for all these decades. So we really see our future as quite bright in that sense.